Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to pair your AirPods 3rd generation to your Nintendo Switch. Just open up system settings, scroll down to the very bottom and make sure you have the Bluetooth audio toggle available. If you don't, just tap on system update and update to the latest software version. Once you tap on Bluetooth audio, tap on add device, and then you want to open up the lid for your AirPods 3rd generation. Find the back and there should be this white button, hold it down until you see white LED and it should start flickering. Once it starts flickering, you should see your AirPods 3rd generation recognized by your Nintendo Switch. This may take up to a minute for your AirPods 3rd generation to be recognized, so you just want to be patient, and eventually you should see your AirPods 3, and then we should be able to pair to it. So again, this does take quite a bit of time, but it will eventually work. And you can see, add the Bluetooth audio device, select the Bluetooth audio device you would like to use, my AirPods, tap on this, and you see connecting to Bluetooth audio, connected to Bluetooth audio. What that means is now you've successfully paired your AirPods 3rd generation to your Nintendo Switch. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.